In the early 9th century, a devastating chain of events shook the very foundations of the once great Maya civilization. The people who had constructed elaborate cities with advanced knowledge of astronomy, architecture, and engineering suddenly vanished into thin air, leaving behind only remnants of their grandeur. This story follows our journey through the archives and archaeology sites of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula to uncover what led to the collapse of this sophisticated society. The year was 790 CE when a powerful volcanic eruption occurred in nearby Guatemala, releasing massive amounts of ash into the atmosphere. This cataclysmic event caused widespread famine as crops withered and failed, leaving many Mayans vulnerable to the harsh environment. Around the same time, trade routes began to dwindle due to an intensifying rivalry between neighboring city-states. Further investigations revealed that soil salinization, a consequence of extensive deforestation for agriculture, had become increasingly severe throughout much of Maya territory. It seemed like nature itself was against the people who had once thrived within its boundaries. As we explored further into these excavated sites, one cannot help but notice the impressive stone structures and murals that remain as testament to the sophisticated knowledge and artistry of these ancient cultures. These relics paint a vivid picture of what it means to be Mayan. Archaeologists today point out how changes in climate patterns during this period forced the population centers to shift away from their traditional heartlands. We find it hard not to wonder about those Mayans who fled into the wilderness, leaving behind artifacts and stories of a rich culture that was once so full of life. Today's findings allow us to piece together parts of history, providing clues to understanding why these people vanished without warning. We now see how interconnected factors created an unstable social structure. At this juncture in time, historians acknowledge both environmental factors, specifically droughts and extreme weather conditions triggered by climate shifts, and internal conflicts which might have weakened the Mayan ability to withstand adversity. Archaeological records suggest these ancient inhabitants began transitioning towards more mobile lifestyles, living alongside various other groups. It remains unclear if this transformation facilitated survival or whether these shifting alliances brought further challenges for those left behind in previously established cities. Some believe their abandonment of fixed settlements was likely a necessary measure due to resource exhaustion and escalating power struggles. This film concludes with speculation surrounding how much environmental degradation might have actually contributed to the downfall of this advanced civilization. We consider the fact that long-abandoned metropolises show clear signs of overharvesting forest resources, accelerating soil erosion in these regions. Our exploration ultimately points to climate-induced difficulties compounded by a combination of economic instability, ecological issues, and potential conflicts between regional powers. It appears we will never truly know the full reason behind their disappearance, but understanding their history can provide valuable insights for future sustainable development. It serves as a grim reminder that human resilience is tested when confronted with the unpredictable forces of nature.